In this video, I will show you how to create Google Drive link to share files on your personal computer or laptop. First, log into your Google Drive. Then, you want to right-click the file you want to create a Google Drive link. The Options menu will pop up. Select Share. Another Share tab will pop up to the right. Click on it. A small menu will show up. If you copy the link right now, nobody can see it. You need to give access to people. Click on Restricted and select Anyone with Link. This allows people with the Google Drive link to see the file you shared. If you copy the link again and give it to anyone, they will be able to see your file. This is what a typical Google Drive link looks like. If you only want a few people to see the file, you want to only grant them access via email. To do that, change the access back to restricted and add the email of the people that you want to give access to. You can add as many emails as you would like. You can also choose whether they can edit the file, comment, or view it only. Once you are done, click Send and they will be able to see the file.